Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making an acrylic cake topper. This is perfect for any birthday cake, anniversary cake, or just any cake that you'd like to add a little cake topper to. If you're interested in making this, just keep watching. The first thing you'll need for this project is a clear acrylic cake topper. Today I'm going to be using a hexagon shape, but you can also use a circle shape or any other shape that you like for this, but today I will be using the hexagon. You will also need some paint. Today I'm going to be using this Valspar house paint that I got at Lowe's in the color Eucalyptus Leaf. You can also just use acrylic paint from the craft store as well. Here is a color from the Folk Art brand that is almost an identical match to the one I'm using today. A 1-inch foam paintbrush, a set of weeding tools, some scissors, a soft scraper or squeegee with a felt edge, some permanent vinyl. Today I'm going to be using matte white, transfer tape to move your vinyl onto the acrylic, and a standard grip cutting mat. You will also need a vinyl cutting machine. Today I'm going to be using my Cricut, and a computer or laptop to create your designs in Cricut Design Space. The first thing we're going to do is start with painting. I will say you can use any color that you want for this. You do not have to use the same color I'm using today. You can really get creative. The first thing we'll do is go ahead and take our weeding tool and peel off one side of the protective layer on the acrylic. There is a protective layer on both sides, but let's just peel off one side for now. Now you're going to pick up a little bit of paint onto your brush and using very light pressure, apply the paint to the acrylic. You can leave some brushstroke edges like you're going to see me do here, but you can also fully paint this if you like. I usually try to take it slow on this part. Don't rush through this, and you can make it really unique and beautiful in the end. There we are. While this dries, we're going to go ahead and get started working on our design for the cake topper. The first thing we're going to do here is go to Cricut Design Space and open up a new project. Go over to the Shapes button and choose the hexagon. And then we're going to make this 5 inches wide. And then we'll go up to the color palette and turn this white. This is going to represent our cake topper. Now we will go over to the text and type the word happy. For this word, I'm going to be using a font called Olive. And then I'm going to go back to the text and type the word birthday. Now I'm going to space these letters out just a little bit and get the alignment and sizing the way I'd like it to be. After I have everything centered, I'm going to choose the word happy and the word birthday and click the attach button. And then I'm going to go back over to the text and type in the name that I want on this cake topper, which is Kaya. And then I'm going to choose the font Cadam's Cute. Make this a little bit bigger. And then I'm going to go down and click the weld button. Finish getting the sizing and alignment right. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on happy birthday and Kaya and attach all of this together so it will all cut in one piece. Delete the white hexagon, and then we're going to get our vinyl ready for our cutting mat and send this on over to the Cricut. The next step is to weed our vinyl. What we're going to do here is just pull away the excess vinyl and leave the lettering that was cut out behind. Now we're going to grab our transfer tape and cut a piece just big enough to fit over the design. Lay the transfer tape directly on top of the design and use your squeegee to really adhere the vinyl onto the transfer tape. Now we're going to grab our cake topper and peel off the protective layer on the other side of the acrylic. The next step is to apply our vinyl design onto the cake topper. Grab your design, use your squeegee to really adhere that vinyl down, and then just peel back that transfer tape, making sure that all of the vinyl is on the transfer tape. And then we're going to apply this onto the center of the cake topper. Use your squeegee one more time and then peel back the transfer tape. And that's it, you guys. Here is our finished product. I love the way this cake topper turned out. I'm actually going to be using this on my daughter's birthday cake next weekend. I'm so excited. If you guys liked this video, please do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you guys soon.